Hello, my dear friends. Today, we're going to explore a powerful anti-aging and brightening ingredient, grapes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, especially resveratrol, which helps fight free radicals, reduce fine lines, and slow down skin aging. They also contain natural fruit acids and vitamin C that gently exfoliate, brighten the skin, and fade pigmentation and dark spots. Grape juice improves skin tone, elasticity, and gives a radiant glow with regular use. If you enjoy natural skincare, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes like this. Let's begin by blending a handful of fresh grapes in a blender. You can also mash 3 to 5 grapes using a mortar if you prefer a quicker method. Then strain the juice through a fine sieve to remove the pulp. This fresh grape juice will be the base for all our masks. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of grape juice, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps tighten the skin and absorb excess oil. 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that brightens and smoothens the skin texture. Benefits: this mask reduces wrinkles, smoothens texture, and brightens the skin instantly. How to use: apply the mixture evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cold water to close the pores. Apply a moisturizer afterward. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Friends, write in the comments, where are you watching from? We'd love to know. Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of grape juice, 1/2 teaspoon of rice flour. Rice flour gently exfoliates, removes dead cells, and helps fade dark spots. Benefits: this mask evens out your skin tone and helps reduce fine lines and pigmentation. How to use: apply to the face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then with cold water. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use regularly, 2 to 3 times per week. Like this recipe? Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of grape juice, a small piece of cucumber, grate the cucumber. Cucumber hydrates, soothes irritation, and reduces puffiness. Benefits: this cooling mask refreshes tired skin, reduces wrinkles, and gives a youthful glow. How to use: gently apply to the face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cold. Moisturize afterward. Repeat 2 to 3 times weekly. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We share new natural recipes every week. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of grape juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Cocoa is packed with antioxidants and improves blood flow to the skin. Benefits: this mask revitalizes dull skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and restores radiance. How to use: apply evenly to the face, neck, décolleté and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cold. Follow with a hydrating cream. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of grape juice, 1/2 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is deeply nourishing, rich in vitamin E, and restores skin elasticity. Benefits: this deeply hydrating mask helps reduce wrinkles and strengthens the skin barrier. How to use: spread the mixture gently over your face, neck, décolleté and hands. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with warm, then cold water. Moisturize well. Use a few times a week. Sixth recipe: 1 teaspoon of grape juice, 1 vitamin A capsule. Vitamin A boosts cell renewal and fades pigmentation. Benefits: this mask smoothens fine lines, fades dark spots, and improves skin texture. How to use: apply carefully to your face, neck, décolleté and hands. Let it work for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cold. Don't forget to apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Seventh recipe: 1 teaspoon of grape juice, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda gently exfoliates and helps unclog pores. Benefits: this mask deeply cleanses, reduces blackheads, and gives a brighter appearance. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it for 10 minutes only. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then cold. Hydrate your skin well afterward. Use once a week only for sensitive skin. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.